Welcome to CondoLogy.
I'm Condo Bot and excited to start the budget. We will begin to construct our budget, but first, we must determine the reality of each of our administrations. In our example that we have here, we made the description of the condominium at the beginning, then we registered our condominium with all the data that could be contained inside the register of condominium form. So, we take for granted that the main syndicate is the CondoLogy manor, and we could very well have syndicates affiliated with the CondoLogy manor, and these affiliated syndicates have been imported. These are the syndicates 2, 3, 4, 5. What does that mean? This means that in our reality the CondoLogy manor takes care of certain expenses which will be redistributed between the other syndicates. So we will have budget systems to manage in this way. On the other hand, we could use CondoLogy as a secondary syndicate. We could be syndicate number 2, then use CondoLogy application, then say that the budget item comes from the CondoLogy mansion. That is also possible. So let's go. So in the first part of the video, we explained the reality of the example that we are working on inside CondoLogy. But in real life, in your reality, the vast majority could very well be a condo apartment building on land with no expenses redistributed with affiliated syndicates. In another case, we could have a syndicate that is horizontal. That means a large underground parking lot with outdoor common areas with a swimming pool, landscaping, things like that. We would have a horizontal syndicate with buildings on top of which would have vertical syndicates. We could have 2, 4, 6 syndicates depending on the condo complex. So everyone really has their own reality. We're almost there. We're going to end up completing an item in the budget, but we have to understand that we have to give ourselves a chance. We're starting to learn how to work with CondoLogy, and what's beautiful about the videos is that we can go a little bit per section. You can go back and listen to a section again until understanding is perfect. We're going to get there, so first we're going to get our budget items whose item description begins with the letter A. I'm going to look. We've just gone from 104 items to 5. It is now a matter of determining whether the budget items that are there are part of our reality. Accounting assistant, yes. Accounting consolidation, yes. Air conditioning equipment and systems, yes. Annual meeting, yes. Everyone has one. Automatic watering system, no. So the automatic watering system, we don't need it, we're going to do. Edit, we're going to say, type of the items, and we're going to send our items in the unused items, click applied. We're saying yes. And here we have just removed the item from our list, but we have saved it here in the unused items report, if one day we need it. So we are at our budget items for our next videos, I promise.